Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can install Protainer in your premises. So why the Protainer? So I've written a complete blog, and if you are missing out the commands which we are running, so I've already written a blog post about it. You can go ahead and see that, and I will be explaining each and everything. Okay, so how to do it, how basically we will do it. So now in this video you will see it. Let's move on to the video. Okay, let's jump into the video. Now you can see I've already built up a Ubuntu machine, and I've also run a command where we are able to update the package. The first command I would like to run, which is install docker. So it is going to install the Docker. Once the Docker is installed on Ubuntu, then we can go ahead and build any type of Docker containers from the images. Docker is very powerful system which you can really go ahead and build in your network. If you want to really learn more about Dockers, in that case you can go ahead and let us know. Now you can see the Docker command is completed. Now the next is what I need to do. We are going to check the Docker service is running properly or not. Now you can see the Docker service is running. Okay, now we need to run a Docker pull command. So Docker pull command is going to pull the repository from the Docker images. So at this moment I have not used sudo. So what I will do is I will use sudo to pull the Protainer image. So what I will do is I will run the command with sudo. So this will pull the image from the repository, and it will download to our machine. So once it is downloaded, now you can see it is downloaded. Once it is downloaded, in this we will see that the image of Protainer which we have downloaded from the repository, so that is downloaded and we are able to see it, right? So let's move on now. So we will now run a docker run command, and we are using -d here, so it is going to make it as a daemon. So we need to make sure, and we need to run the command with sudo. So because without sudo it is not going to get the permission properly. So this time I'm using sudo to run this command. So automatically what it will do is it will build the Docker container for Protainer, right? So once we do that, now you can see it is already created. So we need to run sudo docker ps. So when we are running it, it is going to show us the container which we have created. It is running, and now what we can do is we have seen our container is ready. So now we need to see and access it from the internet. So we will try to go to the port, the IP and the port, which is 9000, and I will go there, and now you can see it is asking us to put the Protainer user ID and password. So here the default is username is admin. So here I can put the password, and I will change. If I want, I can change it. So what I will do is I will put my username here, and I will put the password, secret password here, and I will also confirm it, and I will click create user. So once I click create user, so automatically we are going to log into Protainer, and this Protainer is going to help us to build our own Docker containerization whole platform. So if I go to the user, now you can see one user I have created. So now you can see our Protainer is running on the IP 192.168.8.9000. Now you can see it is running. So if I go to the users, you can see I've created one user, and if I go to the dashboard, here I can see we have one container is available, and one volume is available, one image is available, and 3 networks are there. So it is automatically going to create multiple networks. So in case you want to do any changes on the networks, you can do it, and it also gives you a little bit of idea that what exactly the machine capability. Like it has 6 CPU and 4 GB of RAM, and we have already given that particular machine a proper configuration so that it can handle more containers which we are going to build. So at this moment you can see we have the one container which is running, right? And if we go to if we go to the images, so at this moment you can see only one image, So generally it create automatically all the networks, and now it is the volume which is created. And you can also see the events which is going to happen, what you are doing, right? And if you go to the host, these are the host information, right? So I believe this video has given you information that how you can really make your own Protainer server. And I'm going to create another video on Nginx server. So if you are really want to develop or build a Nginx server, so you can go ahead and see that video as well. And do consider subscribing us if you are watching for the first time, and do share your comments if you like it or you want a specific video from us. Do mention it in the comment, and I will try my best to create the video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in another video.